Plenty fast for what it is. We can.
Take off flaps.
Taken out.
Timer cleared.
You're already rolling.
I know, I didn't even realize that.
You put new fans in that, Frank?
Yeah.
Flaps
Oh,
up.
is it the same from when you...
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you
Nothing's
changed
She's
it.
flown it with the same fan the whole time.
American F-4. Damn, Russian airplane.
Speed
See,
mode.
I don't mind flying with you guys. You guys are different. I don't, we know...
Yeah, well, we fly smooth and predictable.
Yeah, we know like our transition.
We just gotta get him to do the same sort of thing.
And he's trying to formation.
Yeah. No, you're good. I'm just making sure Frank can see.
Get out of there!
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna land after this pass.
Oh, I wanted to go up into the sun.
Sorry, I almost did. I was right there by the sun.
Alright, landing!
I had to pull up out of the way. Here, I'll let you do your thing. I won't stay too close.
No, that's fine.
Alright, I'm landing, guys.
Go. Can't see over there.
Whoa, I'm way up there.
I can't see either. Hit the brakes and it'll fly right by.
So much.
It is, totally.
Listen to me, Ray?
Huh?
Time remaining 1 minute.
Go. Okay.
Seconds.
No pass.
I'm right there with you. He's landing too, so.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
3 FMS fans.
1. Time expired.
Okay. That's really cool. That thing looks awesome, Frank. Yeah, well, not yet. Ah, I love this thing. Yes. Oh, damn, it's a happy bird. That worked out. Coming in.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Jesus, I can't see it. There we
1
go. Now I can
minute
see it.
over.
Made that mistake before, not doing it again.
It's so funny that you say that.
I had to land downwind that one time, remember?
Flaps up.
You coming in?
Not yet.
Okay. No, Frank, that thing flies and looks amazing.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna come down.
Especially that high speed, wings swept, and full speed turn. And that looks cool too, because that's like the real one. The only thing missing is the whole wing drooping. All the surfaces drooping. There you go. Very nice. That's the actual Top Gun flight right there.
Now I think I was flying that flight without gyro.
Really?
It was really low. Because I noticed the wings swept. It wanted to keep rolling unless I corrected. And I was like, what the heck?
Yeah, it was too low. Wind is perfect right now. I think that size differential's right too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because the F-5 was really small. Is really small. Oh, maybe that's a little bigger though. I don't know. Oh, cool. Cool flight.
I love this jet.
Oh, the clouds right now.